Welcome back, KASPA traders, lovers, investors. Today we're going to talk KASPA KAS, another update on the KASPA price action. Very important to update you on the KASPA darling. First of all, guys, this is not good. Okay, we're getting some big selling here. The man from the roofs came back and is now PP on KASPA. You can see how it PP here. That's the man. The man. We told you this doji candle. That's the man coming up and taking a PP on KASPA KAS. That's bearish. All right. Now we had a breakout here. We had a breakout of this pattern, but it failed. That's actually a fake out breakout or a head fake. Came back all the way down, dropped below the 50 and the 200-day MA. This is not good, my friend. You gotta be accountable when you're trading and investing in crypto, because if you're not accountable, you might end up round tripping all your gains, or God forbid, completely losing all your money. So by the way, sir, this is not a financial advice. Subscribe to this channel, click the bell, and let's continue with the KASPA update. So look, it broke below these moving averages. This is very bad, okay? You don't want to see your coin breaking below these moving averages, because these are the most important moving averages. And also, remember, Bitcoin is in a bull market. Bitcoin went to 112K, and KASPA is still below its moving averages. And you know, the moving averages should not be like that. The 50 should be above the 200 if it's a bull market. Now, KASPA is still technically speaking, in a bear market territories, because we didn't have a golden cross. We don't have a golden cross yet. We need the 50 to cross above the 200, and we need price to be above them. So as long as it stayed like that, that's not good, man. The bears are in complete control. Let's look on the bigger picture here on the weekly. Look at this weekly. Oh my God, that's not looking good, sir. That's not looking good. There is a risk KASPA is going. That's the man. The man is peeing here. Just like he did here, you can see another man, long wick here, PP on KAS, okay? This is not good, okay? This is not what you want to see. There is a risk of KASPA pulling back to these levels, man. There is a risk of revisiting the 6 area again, if you know, if it will not recover fast above the 200-day and the 50-day MA and above this major support, okay? So really, if you're looking to invest, you know, there is a lot of smart people out there. They call themselves investors. They're buying the dips on KASPA, but they don't know. What they don't know is that sometimes a dip is not really a dip. It's just another lower low on a big downtrend. Okay, so really, before you jumping in and buying dips, all right, first of all, have a strategy. Okay, let's say you bought the dip here. You should have it here. If not, now you round trip all your gain. Second, before you buy dip and listen to the moon boys from the toilet, remember, most of the time these moon boys are wrong. Okay, they're wrong most 99% of the time. And you know, there is no confirmation of a reversal of the bear market for KASPA. It's still technically in a bear market. You're making lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. Before you invest, you want to see it forming higher lows and coming back up. Look at this moving average, okay? This is the 50-week MA. This is for investors, okay? If you like it, if you're an investor, long-term hodler, you want to buy something that is above the 50-week, and then you hold, okay? Because if you buy now below, there is a risk of more downside, sir. And it can go to new lows. It can even go to new lows. There is a risk, all right? So really, pay attention, man. Pay attention. Study charts. Learn how to trade, man. Because really, if you're not taking profits on the rallies, you're missing out gains on the table. Look at that. Let's say you bought it at 8, okay, like at the 8, and you sold at the 13. That's kind of a 50% move here, all right? So you can make a lot of profits here on this level, but most people never sold, and you know, they're now round tripping the money. By the way, guys, make sure to get yourself a Bitunix account. I'm inviting you to get yourself a Bitunix account, man. This is a very good exchange. Non-KYC, you can trade from all over the world. They don't care who are you, where are you from. You just open an account, very simple. You send some USDT, you start trading there. You get amazing USDT bonus, 200 USDT bonus on a deposit of 1K. Get yourself an account with the link below, the best exchange in crypto now, really. And you can obviously long or short KASPA there. There is a tutorial on my YouTube how to use it. So get yourself an account. Really, guys, this is a if KASPA will not be able to recover, let's look on the daily chart. If KASPA will not be able to recover above the moving averages, we have a big risk of more downside. And remember, we just had a cross back down on the monthly and on the weekly stochastic from the high. There is a risk this thing will pull back all the way down. If it's pulled back all the way down, it's KASPA probably going to go to new lows. This is a weekly momentum stochastic RSI. These moves happen. Look at that. Last time you had a cross was in December 2024. You crossed down and KASPA collapsed from 19 to 5 cents. That's horrific. Now you had a cross, price was at 13-ish, okay? Man, there is a risk it's gonna go to new lows. Really protect yourself out there. Man, get yourself a trading book, get yourself a mentor. Really, if you want to join our membership, man, join our membership. The link below, man. Our trading service will teach you how to trade, how to long, how to short, how to protect yourself, how to use stops, how to invest the right way in the right time, man. We'll give you amazing support. By the way, if you trade with more than 100K, and I have a lot of people, man, came to my community. They have 100K in KASPA, 200K in KASPA, 300K. We told them, hey, sell everything. You don't need it. You don't need it. And look, we saved them. We saved them, man. We saved them here. We recently have a guy that had a lot of money in KASPA. Told him, sell everything, man. There is a risk of downside. Boom. He just sold on the recent top, man. Save him. We're talking about 200,000 in KASPA, man. It goes down 50. What is it like from here? From the top here to where we are now. That's like, man, 35%. Imagine 35 haircut percent on a 200 bag. That's a lot, man. 200 is like 60,000 drawdown, man. Like, for what? For what, man? Man, if you want to make money in crypto, there are other ways. Don't be a hodler. Hodlers always lose money. This cycle, hodlers are getting completely wrecked again and again and again, except the Bitcoin hodlers. All altcoin hodlers are wrecked. You gotta have a strategy, a winning strategy, man, to follow. Try our trading community. Link below. See you in the next video. Cheers.